Hi.
You surprised?
Hi.
Can I tell you a secret?
What? I know. I thought we were going this weekend. How'd you get down here? Thank you.
You surprised?
Oh.
Your face glowed like crap. You were like, now wipe the tears off, Bo. Go. Oh, by the way, you're probably gonna hate me.
Why?
Your room's a mess.
So?
Okay.
She don't care.
Man, my knees hurt now. I saw the bus. I was like, oh shit.